Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake using ice cream. First, let's create our delicious crust. You'll need about 1½ cups of finely crushed graham crackers, which is roughly 10 to 12 full sheets. Mix these crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter until well combined. Then, firmly press this mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Pop it into the freezer for at least 15 minutes to ensure it sets up nicely while we prepare the filling. Now for the star of our show, the ice cream filling. Take 2 pints of your favorite ice cream flavor, perhaps vanilla or strawberry, and let it soften at room temperature for about 10 minutes. While that's softening, whip 1/8-ounce block of softened cream cheese in a large bowl until it's wonderfully smooth and fluffy. Then, gently fold the softened ice cream into the cream cheese mixture. Be careful not to overmix. We want to keep that lovely, airy texture. Once your filling is ready, carefully pour it over the chilled graham cracker crust in your springform pan. Use a spatula to gently smooth the top, ensuring an even layer. This step helps create a beautiful presentation. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Place the cheesecake in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until it is completely firm. This ensures it holds its shape perfectly when sliced. When you're ready to serve your magnificent creation, take the cheesecake out of the freezer about 15 minutes beforehand. This allows it to soften just slightly for easier slicing. Carefully run a thin, warm knife around the edge of the springform pan before releasing the spring and removing the sides. Slice with a warm, clean knife for perfect portions. Garnish with fresh berries, chocolate shavings, or a drizzle of your favorite sauce, and enjoy this delightful, no-bake treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.